Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
It is a new day. I got a few things that I need to do to the notch back. I was supposed to be dropping this thing back off at the body shop today, but I'm gonna drop it back off later in the week. The next 2 days is gonna be raining. So right now, while it's not raining, I want to get this addressed. It's been an issue since I dropped it off at the body shop. Literally the day I was dropping the Mustang off, we ended up having one of the fans pretty much just go out. It was hot as hell that day, and I don't know exactly what happened, but I do have one fan that's out. So I have a brand new set of fans right here that I had got from O'Reilly's. So today I want to just get those in. But yeah, you can see right here, this thing is poofed. Look at that. Like, I don't know. I have no clue what the hell happened to it. It just decided to take a dookie. So today I want to get these swapped out. Shouldn't be that bad to pull this out. Just got to get the overflow tank off of it. And then check and see where the wires are. Hopefully it's all on the connector. That way it'd be easy peasy. Just But yeah, let's get these swapped out real quick one time for the one time. Alright, got this thing out, man. What should have been literally like a 5-minute job took like an extra 20-30 minutes. You can see right here, this is where the power line was ran. What I'm gonna do is once I get the new setup in, I'm gonna redo where the power wire stuff sits. Cause yeah, this would have been way easier and quicker, but this was mounted to the bottom of the fan. And y'all can see how bad this fan is. I have no clue why it decided to take a shit and come loose like this, but it's just loose on the inside. This one's still good, but yeah, this one's Tostitos. And we are gonna have to take this mount off. This is the mount kit that we need to mount this to the radiator. Because these are the 4 contour fans, but this is the little adapter shit that comes with it. Let's see if we can see any big difference between the two. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut the tabs off the corner. We'll chop these guys. I don't see them on here. Yep. Looks like we'll have to cut them. No biggie. Same but different. So open up the garage and get this thing back. Give us a little more room to work with. Nice sunny day though. so I want to show y'all something real quick. So you guys know on the swing stain that I'm running my fuel lines down the center of the trans tunnel. And some people was like, oh, that's stupid, why not run them down the subframe connectors, blah blah blah. So this car has the fuel lines ran down the subframe connectors, which I didn't care about because it's not really a drift car, so it's not really gonna be going off track or anything like that. So I wasn't worried about them, a cone or something really catching them. But I just want to show y'all something. So y'all see these are ran down the subframe. And look, this is the lowest point right here. There's a little sag. And you can see right here that this fuel line has already like dragged against something. So I'm gonna probably have my boy Janky redo this one also and run the fuel lines along the trans tunnel exactly how we do on the drift coupe. But for now, see if I got some zip ties so I can tuck these things up higher. And then show y'all this side. This side's fine. This side doesn't have a low point. So this side isn't low, it's literally level with the subframe. So this side's good money. Flex fuel sensors ran under here. The welded fuel filter right here. I don't think this side would really be an issue. Again, like I said, if it's not a drift car, I wouldn't really trip off of it. On the other side it is just hanging a low. So I don't want to like, oh, you trying to bash? Like, this ain't that. I'm just showing people why that I prefer to run the fuel lines down the trans tunnel versus along the subframes. So, you know, do as you please, do as you want. But, you know, that's my reason on it. A lot of people think, oh, the drive shaft's gonna explode. Like, then you got a higher chance of going off of a curb or running over some shit and it catching the fuel lines than you do with a drive shaft exploding or blowing up. So I need to get up under here, make some marks to get these mounts and shit mounted up. So I gotta remount this thing up. So I'm gonna get a marker, mark this, and then down below where you can see the down here where the relays and stuff are, I want to get this tucked away, make some new mounts, and kind of just get it sitting like this. That way the line isn't kinked or pinched in any weird like form. So yeah, let me see how I'm gonna do this. You know what, instead of hard mount this, I think I'm gonna just drill little holes right here and get zip ties in them. That way we can tuck this up against it like this, and then I don't have to worry about trying to undo bolts and stuff next time I need to get the radiator or the fan out. It'll just make it hella easier just to run something along here to cinch it down. Could possibly even use these holes because there's something going to them. But all right, so I just finished up, got the coolant overflow mounted back up right here. Everything's tight, you can see down there. So I got those secure down there. Everything should be good. I'm gonna fire this thing up in a second, make sure fans and everything turn on. Also zip tie the lines up over here. That way there's no low points until I can get the lines and stuff redone. But yeah, let's fire this thing up and make sure the fans turn on once it warms up. Alright, so we're waiting for this thing to warm up right now. Water temp's currently at 90, so I'm just gonna let it sit here and idle. Got him out here picking weeds. He wanted to decide to get in trouble and shit, so you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna beat him, so just make him do some hard labor. You good?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna see no F's on no next progress report, am I?
Nope.
Nigga had the nerves to try to, if I go up to a school, try to have the nerves to have 2 F's. The fuck out of here. Yeah, what?
You said 2?
Yeah, 2 F's. Yeah.
That's right. I thought you said something else.
I bet not see 2 F's on the report card. Woo, I see 2 F's. Boy, it's gonna be a long summer for you. Long summer. I mean, I'm kind of glad he messed up, you know what I'm saying? Get a free weed picker right here. We just had a lot of rain, so there's a bunch of weeds right here, but you know. So tomorrow, he gonna be getting up in here, picking all this grass and these weeds out, making sure everything is coming up from these roots. I thought about planting some of this over here, but I'm probably gonna end up pushing this all the way back. That way I can move the cars all the way forward, damn near against the house. And then if I do that, I should be able to get another row of cars back here. So I should be able to fit 6 cars right here versus 4. That's the plan, is to be able to get an option for 2 more cars. Y'all know I'm like going through this like old school fever right now, where I really want either 6.7, 6.9 Mero, 6.6 Mustang or something like that, or something old that I can have some fun with. And that smog exempt. I'm tired of dealing with smog out here, man. It's like a pain in the ass having to deal with that in California. So kind of want to get something old, that way I can just go crazy and do whatever the hell I want with it. Are you warmed up yet? Been idling for like almost 10 minutes. 167. All right, we getting there. Almost there where we need to be. I'll come back with this thing's at 180. Make sure both fans are turning on. If so, we good. All right, water temps 200. Fans should definitely be on now. Yeah, they're on. Yo, these fans are fucking trash, bruh. The other ones pulled way harder than this. These are garbage. Bruh. Yeah, these... and the temps are going up. It's 202 right now. Other ones were way stronger. Straight up garbage, yo. These fans are dookie. What's up, Granny? Shit won't even keep the car cool. Guess I gotta go do this all over again. I'm going to get some E right now. This shit's hella high, bruh. 223 right now. This car never even used to get over like 180. Watch when we start rolling, this thing's gonna cool down like crazy. And the way I know it's not just the sensor or something, because look at the air intake temps. The manifold air temps are also high, which indicate that this motor is hot right now. Watch how fast it starts dropping once we start moving though. Alright, so something I just noticed is, for some odd reason, these fans and the original fans that were on here are like reverse polarity. Like these fans hooked up, plugged in the exact same way, but when these are hooked up, these are flowing the opposite direction. So right now they're acting like pushers. It's literally the exact same wiring, nothing has changed other than the fan setup. So I guess internally these fans are whatever the hell's going on with that. So yeah, pretty much gotta reverse the wiring, flip it to where they act as pullers again. Shit's so stupid. I wonder if I can just disconnect them and plug the plug in backwards. If so, that'll make it so much easier. But I don't think that's gonna work. And look, just to test it, look. Instead of sucking the back to it, it's blowing it away.